Welcome to my channel, Animals Facts. Parrots are among the most fascinating and vibrant creatures in the bird kingdom. With their dazzling feathers, intelligent behavior, and unique personalities, these birds have captured the hearts of millions worldwide. From the dense rainforests of South America to the open woodlands of Australia, parrots are found in a variety of habitats and are loved for their ability to mimic sounds, solve problems, and interact with humans. Parrots belong to a large order of birds known as psittaciforms, which includes over 400 different species. The most well-known types include macaws, cockatoos, parakeets, and African gray parrots. Each species comes with its own charm, size, color pattern, and level of sociability. Some parrots are bright green, others flash brilliant blues and reds, and many have combinations that look like they flew straight out of a paint box. One of the most remarkable features of parrots is their intelligence. These birds are often compared to toddlers in terms of brain power. Many can learn to recognize words, repeat them, and even use them in context. The African gray parrot, for instance, is considered one of the most intelligent bird species on Earth. Some individuals have been observed using logic, recognizing shapes and colors, and even showing signs of empathy and emotional awareness. Another charming trait of parrots is their vocal ability. Unlike most birds that sing or chirp, parrots have the unique ability to mimic human speech and a variety of environmental sounds. This is due to the structure of their syrinx, the bird's vocal organ, and their ability to manipulate it finely. It's not unusual to hear a parrot imitating a ringing phone, barking dog, or even household conversations. This mimicry makes them popular pets, but it also requires attention and stimulation to keep them mentally healthy. Parrots are social animals. In the wild, they live in flocks and form strong bonds with their mates and fellow birds. This need for companionship carries over into captivity as well. Parrots can form deep connections with their human caretakers and often display loyalty, affection, and even jealousy. However, this emotional depth also means they can suffer from loneliness and boredom if not properly cared for. Sadly, many parrot species are threatened by habitat loss, illegal trade, and poaching. Deforestation and land development have reduced their natural habitats, while the demand for exotic pets continues to endanger wild populations. Conservation efforts are underway across the globe to protect parrot species, including breeding programs, habitat restoration, and strict regulations on the pet trade. If you're considering a parrot as a pet, it's important to understand the level of commitment involved. Parrots are not low-maintenance animals. They need a lot of space, a variety of toys, social interaction, and a proper diet to thrive. Some species can live for over 50 years, so owning a parrot is often a lifelong responsibility. But for those who are ready, parrots can make incredibly rewarding companions. In conclusion, parrots are more than just beautiful birds. They are intelligent, emotional, and complex creatures that deserve respect, care, and admiration. Whether in the wild or as beloved pets, parrots bring color and joy into our lives, reminding us of nature's boundless creativity.